If Lychee and Longan plant from seeds separately, how long does it take to bloom and bear fruit? First, let's take the fruit stand. Bought lychees, peel off the skin. Remove the pit from the pulp to promote the germination of seeds. At this time, you also need to peel off the outer skin of the stone with a knife. And then you can put them in cultures. Spray the right amount of crystal to germinate. In just 3 days, shoots emerged. Day 6. You can send the sprouted lychees. Transplanted into the soil. It has been planted and sprayed with the right amount of water. Make it quickly adapt to the new growth environment. In less than 2 days, the young lychee seedlings broke through the shackles of the soil. The first bud to stretch out. It's like 2 tentacles, stretching upward. Day 14. The 2 tentacles differentiated into many branches and leaves. These branches and leaves are initially yellowish, but through continuous growth, gradually turned into emerald green. Do any of you know how this works? Then on day 25, the branches of the seedlings stretch out again. New branches. And in the same way, stretching out a few yellowing branches and leaves. After completing the process of turning from yellow to green, in its branches, more branches and leaves are differentiated one after another. And on the other side, longan planting is also being prepared. After removing the pit from the longan fruit, buried directly in the soil. After spraying the right amount of water. Let's follow the lens of rock photography. Let's see how long it takes to germinate. Until the 21st day, the seeds of longan broke through the soil with difficulty. A tender seedling slowly stretched out. 30 days. The 2 cotyledons on the seedlings begin a new differentiation. They each produced more leaves. It also goes from yellow to green. See here, isn't it? Seedlings of longan and lychee were found. Seems similar. This is because they all belong to the Saphididae family. Most of our country is in the southwest, to the tropics of the southeast, and subtropical regions. Whether it is lychee or longan, if you start planting from seeds, it takes more than 5 years to bear fruit. Therefore, in order to accelerate its reproduction rate, mostly by choice, cultivation by means of high-space compaction propagation. This way is to carve the branches of the fruit tree. After injury or annular peeling, wrap it in soil and plastic bags. After it takes root, the new plant can be cut off from the sow. Transplant lychee or longan trees that have been raised in this way. In the 3rd year after customization, the ability to blossom and bear fruit. This is comparable to an October pregnancy that starts directly from the seed. Is planting not just a little faster,